our next Java program is to find the sum of multi-dimensional array. So here we are not going to take the input from user. We are directly taking the same array and we are going to find the sum of two matrices. So let's get started with creating the array. So first I will take the row, that is row equal to 2. So before that, I have created the main.java. So if you want to create, first we have to create the package. After clicking this, we will give the different types, that is packages, classes, interface. So we have to just create the package and give the name. So I have created com.codersart. You can do give your company name or something that. So in the reverse order. So first of all, we have to give com or dot in and then your company name. So we have to give that in that order. And after that, we have to create the one class that is main.java. In that, we have to insert this public static void main method. And you can also do that by creating like public static main without giving return type main, and in the bracket we have to give string and arguments, and we can create like that also. And if you don't want to create like this, you can also create by using sources, and we can also use by doing the creating the one method or writing or implementing the method. We can do that also. So these are the different methods we can do that, and we can also write main and control and space. So it will give the main method, and we have to just create the main method. And after that, we have to take the row equal to 2 int column equal to 3. And after that, we have to create two array. So I will create a multi-dimensional array. To create a multi-dimensional array, so first of all, we will create the singular array. So that is the this is the data type. After that, to create a multi-dimensional, we have to just create that is 2D array. So we have to just give one more opening and closing square bracket. And after that, we have to give array1 as a variable name. And you can also do like creating new int and like this also. But here we are not doing that. We are just creating like this. So we have to just copy these and we have to just paste here. So it will create our array. So I have just missed one curly bracket. So yeah. So after this, it will create one array and it will store in this format. So after that, we have to create for another array2 equal to. We have to just copy that also. This is the second array, and it will create an array. And we have to find the sum of these. So first of all, we have to create one sum array. So that will store the sum of the array equal to new int row and column. So it will create our sum of that array. So we have to just give the for loop int I equal to 0, I less than row. So first for loop is for row, second for loop is for column. So in that order we have to do int j equal to 0, j less than column j plus plus. So first of all, it will do these like 2, then 3, then 4, and then it will come to this. So that in that order, so it will do that. So we have to add that sum. So I will do sum of I comma j equal to array of first I j plus array of 2 I and j. So it will add that variable. So if you are trying to add matrix, so we have to add first this element and this element. We cannot add the different element with the different uh, I and different j. So we cannot add in the matrix. We have to add the same matrix with the same indices. So that is why I have used I and j for the same. And after to print the array, we have to just print that. So I will print the array. The sum of array is, so I will use for loop to print that int I equal to 0, I less than, so row I plus plus. And I will just use one system, that is system, sorry, syso. I will just use array that will convert to string, and I will just pass the sum of I. So it will convert that array into singular, and it will print the every row in one by one line. So if you see the answer, I'm just going to run the application. So if you see, I'm getting one by one answer. And if you want different, so you can use the nested loop. So you can do that also. But I am using the arrays dot toString. So it will print by converting these array into the string, and it will print that. So if you see, I am getting the same answer that I want. So if you change the input also, you can do get the answer. So thank you.